For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a car wash business can be a profitable and low-barrier way to enter the world of entrepreneurship. With the help of AI, you can streamline planning, operations, customer service, and marketing to reduce costs and maximize efficiency. Below is a comprehensive, step-by-step guide on how to launch a car wash business with the assistance of AI tools. Step 1. Research and planning. Before investing time or money, use AI to research the local market, customer behavior, and trends. Use tools. ChatGPT, OpenAI for idea validation and business plan drafting. Google Trends to analyze demand in your area. BizPlan or LivePlan for AI-assisted business planning. Prompt example. ChatGPT, write me a business plan for an eco-friendly hand car wash in city, state, targeting mid-income vehicle owners. Includes services, market research, financial projections, and startup costs. Tasks. Identify your niche, self-service, automatic, eco-friendly, mobile car wash. Define your target customer, e.g., busy professionals, fleet services, Uber drivers. Analyze competitors in your area. Step 2. Choose a business model and location. Select a business type. Self-service, full service, manual or automated. Mobile car wash, waterless/eco-friendly. Use AI mapping tools like RegGrid or MapEyes for geographic and demographic data. ChatGPT for model comparison. Prompt example. Compare the pros and cons of a mobile car wash versus a fixed location car wash in terms of startup cost, maintenance, and profitability. Tips. Use Google Earth or Zillow to scout vacant lots or commercial properties. Consider traffic, visibility, water access, and zoning laws. Step 3. Legal and regulatory setup. You'll need to register your business and acquire licenses. Tasks. Choose a business structure, LLC, sole proprietorship, etc. Register the business name with your state. Obtain a business license and environmental permits. Use AI tools. LegalZoom or Tailor Brands for legal formation with AI support. ChatGPT to generate a permit checklist. Prompt example. What licenses and permits do I need to start a car wash in city, state? Step 4. Create a financial plan. AI can help project costs, revenue, and break-even points. Use tools. ChatGPT or Microsoft Excel with AI Assistant. QuickBooks for AI-driven accounting projections. Finmark or Bricks for forecasting. Typical costs. Land or rent. Construction or van outfitting. Water reclamation systems. Equipment and cleaning supplies. A labor and marketing. Prompt example. Create a startup cost breakdown and 12-month cash flow projection for a drive-through car wash with 2 employees. Step 5. Source equipment and technology. AI can assist in choosing efficient, eco-friendly tools and automation systems. Use tools. ChatGPT to compare equipment brands. Alibaba or Amazon with AI-driven search filters. Service providers like Sunny's or McNeil for industrial equipment. Prompt example. List the most recommended automated car wash equipment for a 3-bay operation under $100,000. Tip. Look for equipment that integrates AI sensors for optimized cleaning cycles and water usage. Step 6. Build your brand. Create a strong identity with AI-powered design tools. Use tools. Loca or Canva for AI logo generation. Namelix for AI-generated business names. Copy.ai for slogan and tagline ideas. Prompt example. Suggest 10 creative, catchy names for a mobile eco-friendly car wash business targeting millennials. Tasks. Design a logo, brand colors, and fonts. Write a mission statement. Purchase domain and set up email, Google Workspace. Step 7. Develop a website and booking system. AI can help you build a professional website with scheduling and payment features. Use tools. Wix or GoDaddy website builder with AI templates. Square or Calendly for booking integrations. Tidio or Drift for AI-powered live chat support. Prompt example. Create a homepage outline for a car wash website that includes services, pricing, testimonials, and online booking. Tips. Ensure mobile optimization. Add customer reviews, FAQs, and contact info. Use AI chatbots to answer basic inquiries 24/7. Step 8. Launch marketing campaigns. AI makes digital marketing easier, faster, and cheaper. Use tools. ChatGPT for copywriting and content ideas. AdCreative.ai for generating ads. MailChimp or Klaviyo for email automation. Surfer SEO for blog content optimization. Prompt examples. Create a 30-day digital marketing strategy for launching a new car wash in city. Focus on social media, Google Ads, and local SEO. Write a Facebook ad for 20% off first wash with eye-catching headline and CTA. Marketing ideas. Offer grand opening discounts. Set up Google Business Profile. Use AI to run A/B ad testing. Partner with local businesses for referrals. Step 9. Optimize operations with AI. After launch, AI can help you operate efficiently. Use tools. ChatGPT for SOP writing. Zapier to automate tasks, e.g., email reminders, CRM updates. ClickUp or Notion AI to manage staff schedules and customer feedback. Prompt example. Write a standard operating procedure for training a new car wash attendant to follow company cleanliness, safety, and customer service policies. Tips. Track peak times and adjust staffing with AI insights. Use surveillance AI tools for security. Offer loyalty rewards via AI-powered apps. Step 10. Monitor and scale. Use AI to collect data, track KPIs, and scale your business. Tools. Tableau or Google Looker Studio for dashboards. Monkey Learn for AI sentiment analysis on reviews. ChatGPT for scaling strategies. Prompt examples. Analyze this month's sales data and suggest 3 ways to increase customer retention. Give me a plan to expand my car wash into 3 new locations over the next 18 months, focusing on mobile-first services. Scaling tips. License your model to others. Franchise the business. Add premium services, e.g., ceramic coating, detailing. Use AI to predict new service demands. Final thoughts. Starting a car wash business today is more streamlined thanks to the power of AI. Whether you're automating your bookings or analyzing customer feedback, AI tools allow you to operate lean and stay competitive. From planning and branding to day-to-day operations and scaling, each step can be optimized with smart tools and well-written prompts. Keep experimenting, refining, and upgrading your systems with AI, and you'll keep your business sparkling. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.